Hello and welcome to another weekly market update after the market closed on the 19th. I'm coming into it actually with the market open today because I wanted to see what it did next because it's some interesting developments. Here's where we look at here's the weekly chart. You know the story. I've added the 70 week. That's the line, the red line here. 40 week is one we usually look at. And what's interesting is don't forget, see, the 40 week is almost like a year's worth of action, and so when it's taking all this the correction earlier in the year into account, and now this most recent one, what's just happened is we're starting to see that actually start to curl over, as you can see. So there's definitely a weakening here. I'm not yet getting the signal to get out, but we could. I think it might be fair to say that for this leg of the bull market, or this bull market that began in 2016, that was called. I think the best of it may be behind us, and we're going to have to watch closely to see what happens next. But as I say, I've not been given the signal to go to cash yet. If we zoom in, you can see the market just closed just on the line for the last 2 days of the week, but selling volume is starting to pick up. And as I'm looking at it this morning, we are opening below that. So short-term trend is definitely downwards, as I said last weekend, and we are still technically in a bull market going by the indicators, with the caveat that I think the best of it's behind us, and the average is starting to turn over. So on alert, and that's all for this week. I'll speak to you next time.